We're delighted to announce our new product range, Eureka cleaning machines. We'll be supplying them here in Ireland. My name is Anna Stewart. I'm a Sales and Marketing Coordinator at Masterlift. These cleaning machines, they're suitable for warehouses, logistics company, all sorts of manufacturing facilities, schools, pharmaceuticals, retail outlets.
I'm Alice from Eureka company. I'm the export manager in charge for the North European countries. Eureka company produces approximately 6,000 machines per year. We are in 150 people and we produce everything internally. We produce 3 lines of products. First of all, sweepers with 8 models, scrubber dryers in 15 models, and escalator cleaners with 2 types of model, one to clean the step and one to clean the risers.
We're delighted to team up with Eureka. They have a great name across the world. We're very impressed with their professionalism and with their backup service. A lot of customers are very impressed with the durability. All of these machines have been in action in companies for 20 years without any problems. And that's exactly the kind of product that Masterlift want to get behind.
I'm very glad to meet Masterlift company in Ireland. The combination between the sales of forklift and cleaning equipment represent a massive strength in the market.
If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, if you want to have a look at machines, demo, etc., get in contact with us and we'll look